Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two treadmills that will keep you moving even while you're at work or at home. On the left, we have the Yagud under-desk treadmill, and on the right, we have the Yagud walking pad treadmill. Let's dive into the comparisons and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, the price. The Yagud treadmill comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $199, while the Yagud treadmill is priced slightly higher at $249. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Yagud treadmill might be the way to go. When it comes to design, the Yagud treadmill offers a 2-in-1 functionality, allowing you to walk, jog, and even run. It's like having a personal gym right under your desk. On the other hand, the Yagud treadmill also offers walking, jogging, and running capabilities, so you won't miss out on any exercise options. Now let's talk about motor power. The Yagud treadmill boasts a powerful 2.5 HP motor, providing a smooth and quiet workout experience. With a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds, it's suitable for most fitness enthusiasts. The Yagud treadmill, on the other hand, has a slightly lower motor power of 2.25 HP, but can still handle a weight capacity of 286 pounds. So whether you choose Yagud or Yagud, you can trust that they'll keep up with your fitness goals. Time to take a look at the display and control features. The Yagud treadmill utilizes an LED display to show time, calories, steps, speed, and distance. Plus, it comes with a handy remote control for easy speed adjustments. The Yagud treadmill also features an LED display, allowing you to track your workout stats in real time. And yes, it also includes a smart remote control for convenient speed changes. Both treadmills make it easy for you to stay on top of your fitness progress. Last but not least, let's talk about portability and storage. The Yagud treadmill is designed to be compact and easy to move around, making it a great option for those with limited space. The Yagud treadmill takes it a step further with its slim design, allowing you to effortlessly store it under sofas, beds, or tables. No assembly required. So if you're tight on space, the Yagud treadmill might be the winner in this category. Both treadmills offer great features, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Yagud under-desk treadmill and the Yagud walking pad treadmill in various categories. Both treadmills offer great features, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember to check the description below for more details and pricing information. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping!